Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode on your SOUNDCORE Dot FreeEye. And let's get started with open the application. So right here we have ambient sound control, and to enable transparency mode you can or just click on it, or you can use the control, but we should edit. So go to the controls, and by default it uses press and hold. So click on this hold for 2-second line. And right here we have ambient sound. So for the left one, as you can see right now, transparency mode is unchecked, so check it. And also for the right one. And now, if you press and hold on the control on your left or right earbud, you will swap firstly to noise cancellation and press and hold it again, and you will swap to transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.